Huha, huha. Eh? Hala. Hala tarun. Hala.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh. Ngi ngi ngi.
Tadi di ka okay no?
Doon. Good morning, a day in my life traveling with my family. So for today, we're going to the city to bring my nephew to the swimming pool, and our time now is 5:40 in the morning because we need to get up early and wait the bus there in the national highway. So yeah, I'm going with my sister and two nephews and my father. I bring my father. It's because I like him to um travel with us and to look after my nephews. That's because it's not easy to travel with the kids, guys. So yeah, I bring my father to watch them. I bring my sister, but she's always busy with her phone, so no one can watch or look my nephews when we are do or making something or playing in the pool. So yeah, we are here now into National Highway and we're waiting for the bus, guys. So this is our province, guys. As you can see, this is a very simple village only, but all of the people here are very friendly. And yeah, my nephew and sister are very excited this time, and they're always asking me where is the bus now. So yeah, as you can see their face, they are very excited to go to swim. I'm sorry for my voice now. I just woke up and doing this voice over of mine. So yeah, we're waiting the bus. This is our province look like, you know. It's a green around, a lot of trees, and yeah, the bus is coming, so we need to stay here. So here you go, the bus is coming, and yeah, let's go, guys. So this month is a sim break of the students. So I promised to my nephew that I will bring them to the swimming pool even once. So yeah, look at them. They're very happy. And yeah, we're going now. So yeah, my nephew are very spoiled to me. It's because I don't have a kids. So yeah, every time that they ask me something and if it's good to them, I will give as I can. So yeah, here's the bus. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of people. And yeah, look at them. They are very excited and we are enjoying the travel, guys. We're enjoying the scenery outside. So this is my favorite travel thing is watching outside. There's a beautiful view and of course the beautiful nature. As you can see, the bus is still full and there's a lot of people riding in the bus, guys. So it's not easy, but yeah, we are here now in the city and we're going up, of course. So yeah, we are here now in the bus terminal. As you can see, guys, we're going down and yeah, I show you the bus terminal. So this is Bayawan bus terminal. This time I'm so hungry now, so I told them that to be hurry. It's because my tummy is, I hear the sound, guys. Joke lang. So yeah, we're going to the cafeteria, or there's we call it cafeteria, carinderia. So yeah, look at my nephew now. They are very excited. So yeah, we're here in the cafeteria and we're having a breakfast. That's because we don't have breakfast yet. So yeah, look at my nephew. They are so cute in front of the camera and enjoying the food. And yeah, guys, let's go. ikaw dasig. Wala pa ano. Gusto niyo pansit? Gusto mo pa? Gusto mo pansit? Gusto na ka Ano lang naman siya pansit? Hindi pa cute. Yan na yun. Diyan, may kumarag. Ito? Poster ko. Ano?
Pagkait mercado. Tapos dito.
Dali ah.
Kanira.
Tapos,
Tagis ka naman bihon. Spaghetti. Diraken. Balik ang sukot eh. Ay, gatong ikubag. Ikubag? Ang
Di na.
tagis na.
imuno nga, tanaw. Uy! Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Tigad lang.
Ron. Ron. Ron.
Agoy, agoy upi naman gali. Oh, sarado pa. Hinay. Hindi bata. Hoy, talong ha. Ha? Oo. Top view.
Ha?
Top view. Tuyo. Ha? Mahal. 350? 350 ang bayad. Ha?
Di ba 75 per isa?
25.
Na?
Yeah. Huha, huha. Eh? Hala. Hala tarun. Hala ka. Oh my God. Oh. Ngi.
Tani di ka okay, no?
Doon. Pwede pa. See? Lot of trees in here, guys. Go. Boracay. Hala, sarado. Ha? Yay, may pool. Lara pool, oh. Go, go. Go, go dayon. Go, go. Go, go, may pool. Careful, careful, ha. Diri. Hoy, huy, mutiil da. Hindi na maglapak. Diri. Bayad tanay. Ala, ang gido ron, oh. Cutie. What a cutie. Tara, sa mo likod ko. Hala. Hala. Hala, hala, hala. Cute. Come here. Iko kabati.
Ice cream ba?
Ice?
Ice cream.
Ice?
Ice cream.
Hoy, ko kabati. Ano gusto mo? Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Gusto mo ice cream? Okay. Liter na lang.
Ay.
Puli na ta. Puli na ta.
Dapat na pagtagani.
Pero mapuli na ta. Hindi ta magpuli. Nga naman na. Hindi siya magpuli. Ron. Psst. Taron. Ron. Puli na ta. Uy, tara na. Puli na ko ah. Bye-bye. Dali di bala. May siling ko sa imo. Dali. Nga hindi ka magpuli ha. Dali pa man kutong takanay. Nga hindi ka magpuli. Nga hindi pa magpuli. Puli na ta. Mapuli na ta.
Ano si Papalo?
Gilanat si Papalo. Agoy. Nga hindi ka magpuli ha. Karon lang ta mapuli. Agoy. Puli na ta. Ha? Dali di hambala di anay, dali pamati di anay. Lapit kay hindi ko kabati. Pamati, dali hindi ko kabati.
Pagkalasin ko.
Dali gani pamati.
Pagkalasin ko gani.
Ha?
Pagkalasin ko.
Alas 5 na ta mapuli.
Oo.
Dagot.
Wala pa tagani nagdala puga.